Hey guys, it's Kaif Jawad and welcome to my new video. Today is day 183 to 184 in Log for 5 year journey, and I hope you are doing well. So if you remember last video, I was making video in this position and I couldn't create video fully because of some problem in electricity and load shedding. That's why the full video is this video. Okay, so be ready. Today was not a good day. I relapsed like today and like 3 days, 2 days straight, and another day from like one day after, and that's it. Hope my voice is clear, and let's begin the explanation. So if you remember this, I named it the system of bad. So the camera is clear, maybe. Yep, it's clear. So I need to explain it fully, but let me know something, that if you don't know this are keyword for me. That's why I wrote it. This is like, if you know that, everyone know that 99% people are addicted to this thing, and we will remember by this thing. Okay, so this thing is fully addicted thing. So the main thing here is it will addicted to your brain for last long. It is so powerful that it can be more addicted than drugs, cocaine and this kind of stuff. But let me know you something, that this is not something that are usually come by, to us, or make us that we need to watch this. But the main thing here is we literally search about that and we watch that. But how we watch that, and what the problem for that we are watching this stuff every single day. Like, as I try to quit for like 100 days, 200 days, but in the meantime 100 days was quite good for me, but after 100 days it's like terrible for me. That's why I'm like getting relapsed every day, or like in a pattern of 1010, this kind of pattern, or like in a week, 3 days, 16 days, 20 days, this kind of stuff. So I need to tell you something, that not this is also connected to drugs. Say how? Because when you like getting this pleasure or the dopamine from that, you also need subdopamine. The subdopamine is this can be smoking or something else that is quite connected to this. So this is, we'll call that sub, will give you subdopamine. Hope the spelling is right. So it's the thing that give you full pleasure, but this thing is give you something for like pleasure for like 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, and that's it. But when you will shock by saying that, by seeing that why I wrote bat and LGBT. Why? The main thing I need to tell about the social media. That's the main reason for all of this. If you don't use social media, you slightly might be get addicted to this kind of stuff. But if you don't do that and you also addicted, it can be through your friends or through your cousin, brother, sister, this kind of stuff. And the main thing here is social media. I would like to say that, like Reddit, it's not a popular like that, but Facebook, what about Facebook? What about IG? what about Discord? So these are the main that I know. You will find edited stuff in here like NSFW, this kind of stuff also in here. You will find raw stuff, not that blur or this kind of stuff, raw stuff, like fully raw. And the main thing here is people like to discuss this stuff in there. And also in Facebook you will find groups who promote this kind of stuff, also page who are willing to push this stuff and gathering a community where people will be addicted to these things. And how can we forgot the IG. There's the master of and the king of all things. There's the thing that destroy our focus to this stuff. And in IG you'll also find raw stuff, but in a like it's like giving you soft things that will connect it to this. And also there are a lot of ads that are willing to give you this, like betting. So why Discord? Discord is like a kids time thing of stuff, like kids use it or some like adult people use it, but there are a lot of people who are using it as like something like NSFW. I'm not telling something about that, but I am saying it as an NSFW. I am get involved on that, that's why I am telling about that. I am feeling good and say that Alhamdulillah that I can get out from this, but I am also know that there are a lot of NSFW stuff in Discord, and we all know that. Sorry for the light connection. And how can we forget this thing? If IG is the king, it is the king of world, like this kind of stuff. And this is the king of the system, and the system king is all about this thing, and this all system is fully connected to this. And sorry for the light guys, it's having some problem. Can you help me with that? Okay, thanks. So it's fully connected with Telegram and the system of bed, and this is the system that are willing to kill your focus, kill your goal, kill your dreams. And I relapsed, that's the thing, but I am pretty sure that I am not connected with any kind of bad stuff without this thing, and I am willing to survive one day and I will win. But in social media, like I use only Discord just for meeting my team and this kind of stuff, meeting my team members, hiring people, this kind of stuff. I don't use Facebook, I don't use IG, Reddit, Telegram, this kind of nothing. So, and the last thing is this LGBT means something like we are men and we have the hormone called testosterone, and also there are women with estrogen. But if you are connected to this, your testosterone will get low. That's the one thing. The second thing is you will feel like something like, I can tell that, like don't feel yourself as a man. You will not see yourself as a masculine man or as a man, I can say that, but you will see yourself like something that you will hate girls or like women. You will feel disgust about that because you pour your head with so many of these shits that you are now seeing yourself that I am pretty good, that I am not involved or in that. I am living that stuff one and only day, and I will do that. And this, I can't tell you anything about this. Hope you know that about. And this thing is also promoting this, promoting this, promoting this. All are connected. And the main thing, social media, it's promoting all this. Like, people run ads for this. Why should we don't ban it? Because lot of kid users or like minors use it. Like, I'm also 16, 17, I'm also minor. I also don't use it because I know that if I use it, there will be lot of bad stuff here. If you also know that in YouTube there are 70 to 80% are kids. I hope you know that. But in YouTube shorts, there, like, you can run ads here. There are a lot of ads. Those are not good for kids. There's something bad, or like, how can I say, bad, shitty stuff. That's not good. Yeah, this kind of stuff, not good. So I hope that YouTube can stop that. And the main thing, we need to save this generation anyway. Everything is killing that stuff, because everything is now so easy for us, and to get it, everyone is seeing that, like, you are, with one click you can do anything. That's the thing that I also tell myself, that I'm telling to you, not because I'm giving you motivation. It's the thing that I always tell myself, and I will try to tell you. And that's the system. And from now we'll fight against the system of bad, and we'll save this generation one day, and we'll rise and we'll win, inshallah. At the end, I will, and I do.